That latest traffic update. Let's hope those puppies find a good home. In other news, Pico Brew of Seattle, Washington continues to shatter Kickstarter records with their newest brewing appliance, the Pico U. Pico U is designed to brew hundreds of award-winning craft beers, but now customers can brew coffee and tea drinks, natural sodas, fusion drinks, even energy and health drinks.
Introducing the new Pico U, the world's first universal brewing appliance. Now you can precision brew all of your favorite beverages. Wake up to precision brewed coffee or a pot of yerba mate tea. Then wind down with the freshest and tastiest craft beers you can imagine, all produced by a single innovative kitchen appliance.
That's remarkable.
Using compostable packs or your own grounds, make the perfect cup of coffee or tea. Brew coffee or tea at precise temperatures, or make delicious cold brew coffee with ease. You can even brew kombucha and hundreds of craft beers using Pico packs. It's really up to you. If you love great craft beer, select from over 120 Pico packs from our award-winning brewery partners around the world, or design your own custom beers. We've sold 100,000 Pico packs since launching the Pico line in 2015. Kombucha packs and other beverages can be found here as well. Brewing with a Pico pack is easy. Simply place the compostable pack into the step filter and follow the on-screen instructions. You can even change the recipe to fit your palate. Brew, ferment, enjoy. But that's not all you can craft.
What?
With the Pico U, you're free to combine flavors into your own fusion beverages.
Can it fly me to the moon?
Customize and create with high-quality ingredients. Add vanilla to your coffee, tang to that tea, or spice up that horchata. Anything is possible. Cleanup is a breeze. Pico U has dishwasher-safe components and is self-cleaning, so your next drink doesn't taste like your last. This is Jim, our CSO.
Chief Science Officer.
He whipped up a few drinks on the U for some people to try. Let's see what they think.
Goji berry acai kombucha.
It's really nice.
That's good. I really like that. It's refreshing.
That's awesome. There's no more words.
Oh, that's very good. It's very mild, but it's also refreshing at the same time. Can I kill this?
Yeah.
Saffron, turmeric, golden milk.
Okay, I'm actually surprised that I like the taste. It tastes good.
I don't know what restaurant I'm at and I'm having this, but I'm not at home. Like, I'm somewhere else.
It makes me feel like I'm back home. I like the saffron.
Session IPA.
Quaffable, delicious. Wow, I'm a hop head. That's got great hop flavor. That's smooth. That's good.
At Pico Brew, we've been inventing cutting-edge craft beer brewing appliances for professionals and home users since 2013. We've been awarded 6 patents, with many more pending in the brewing space. With Pico U, we've leveraged our precision brewing technology and packed it into an appliance for everyone, not just craft beer fanatics. Imagine sipping on an ice-cold black rice horchata or a crisp lemon cilantro dry soda. You just can't buy beverages like these at your grocery store, and that's what we love about the Pico U. If you can dream it, you can craft it. With endless brewing possibilities and unmatched convenience, we're excited to see what you craft using the Pico U.
Cheers to you, Kickstarters.
My name is Caroline. I'm the founder of Knister Grill, the first extendable barbecue you can transport by bike. I grew up in Munich, and as everyone knows who lives in a big city, it's pretty complicated to have a spontaneous barbecue in a public space. That's why I invented Knister Grill, a transportable barbecue for your city. Simply hook the grill to the handlebars of your bike and ride to your favorite park. The main issue is how to transport all the things you need to the grill location. You need coal, food, forks, and obviously the barbecue. And if you want to go by bike, it's nearly impossible to carry all these things. With Knister, there is no need for a backpack and one person can carry everything. For us, it is really important that the attachment is not permanent and you don't need a tool to fix it to your bike. No matter if you have a mountain bike, a city bike or a racing bike. Knister is designed for the city. That's why you mustn't worry if you go over an uneven street, a curb or grass. Knister will always stay perfectly safe to the handlebars of your bike. We developed a barbecue you can also use when you don't cycle a lot. Knister can be carried like a normal basket. The clever thing is that the handles are also the legs, so just flip them over when you arrive. Knister offers space for coal, food, napkins and forks. Whatever you need, just put it inside for the transport. The second main benefit of Knister is that you can extend it to the double size. Knister offers space for up to 10 people. We also offer small coal packages. The clue about them is that the package is also the grill igniter. Roll up the paper and light it. Now it's just as simple as possible to set the coal into flames and you're just burning recycled paper. So no unhealthy and toxic smoke. The grill has 2 zones which are optimized for meat, sausages and vegetables. Now it's way easier to grill small tomatoes, champignons or cheese. That's a huge benefit for vegetarians. Another main issue about having a barbecue is the complicated cleaning afterwards. We got the solution. Simply put the grill into your dishwasher. Kickstarters. We need you today to realize your dream of a perfect barbecue for the city. We already collected money from friends and family, but it takes more. After several prototypes and testings and so many problems we had to solve, I'm really happy to present you the final Knister Grill. The grill is tested and approved and we are ready for manufacturing.